Hello, my name is Edward Percy and I am the Psychic TV Repairman. Now, what exactly is a Psychic TV Repairman? Well, that's a very good question and precisely the reason I am preparing this short video presentation for you. Now, ever since the television set was invented and the first models began to appear in the late 1920s, early 1930s, right through the glorious analogue era, right up to today's high-definition sets, the television has had an almost unknown ability to capture the very essence of anyone unfortunate enough to pass on, that is to die, whilst watching that television set. Now, that essence takes the form of a missive or a last will and testament, as it were, of all those things that that person wanted to say whilst on the earth but was unable or unwilling to do so for whatever reason. Now, my almost mystical ability allows me to tune into that essence, and it allows me to report that last will and testament of that person to the world, thereby freeing them up to pass over to that great broadcasting ether of the afterlife. Now, I, Edward Percy, I'm unable to remember anything that I might report or convey or suggest or indeed gesticulate whilst I am channeling that late person's essence. But the wonderful thing is... No, Mother, I've got my tea here. Yes, Mother, I'm just recording on the video apparatus. In a moment. All right. Sorry about that. Now where was I? Oh yes. So in the interest of science and psychic television technology, I will be reporting those channeling experiences on this, my internet video channel. So I do hope you'll tune in and watch my channeling experiences. Well, thank you very much for watching, and this is Edward Percy, the Psychic TV Repairman, saying cheerio for now.